Hello, welcome to our student building site located in Tyler, Texas in the United States. It's come to my attention that many people are still stuck in a rat race. It's so hard to get off work for a week, and it's easy for me to forget after having designed my lifestyle to give me all the time that I desire for personal growth and to live a life of pursuit of personal growth. And not everybody can just simply take off and fly out of the country for 10 days. In fact, many people only have a 7-day vacation and then they'd have to take personal days. And even worse than that, many people don't even have a vacation time at their job. They're just getting by. And so because of this, we've put together an anytime on your schedule workshop where you can come to this location and you can build on this dome. And in as little as 1 day, we'll put your hands in every step of the process, from building the foam machine, to inflating your AirCrete, to designing a block mold, to filling your block mold, and taking those blocks and stacking them into a dome, and then show you the building composite system that is, in fact, AirCrete. We have created a workshop at your schedule. So at any time that you have the time, you can come out for as little as 1 day, and of course we would recommend 3. You can come out and learn the entire dome building process at this location. We will let you get your hands on every step of the process, and we'll make sure that you understand the reason behind what you're doing. We're going to show you how to make the aerator. We're going to show you how to make the brick molds and the design process of that. We're going to show you how to use 3D software to design your house before you ever begin, so that you have real-world measurements to put down your foundation with. We're going to cover the basics of what you need to know about putting a foundation down, and then you're going to stack the blocks and use the AirCrete composite building system, because AirCrete, while compressively strong, needs a tensile strength added to it and a finish coat. And so all of this works together with stacking the blocks, tying the bricks, using counterbalance, using the compass arm, and putting a reinforcing fabric and finish coat on top of the blocks. And so we're going to make sure that you get through all of this, and we're going to offer you additional free support so that you can reach out to me anytime you get stuck or unclear on a particular point when you begin your actual building process. Now, you know, it's, in my opinion, a very important step one to build for yourself a home that is paid for. And it allows you a springboard to then move into life in the direction that you choose, when you choose. And that's why I feel it's very important that this kind of understanding be available to everyone. And even someone on minimum wage who makes almost nothing whatsoever, if you would be really disciplined and focused on it, within 1 year you can buy a small lot and you can build your own little starter home and have your own house that's paid for without rent, without mortgage, for the rest of your life. And so it's available and it's achievable to anyone who would try. And on that note, if this is something that would interest you, click the link below in the description and sign up for one of our classes on your schedule, on your time. Because I know that when I took my training, I had to fly out of the country multiple times and taking 10 days off at a time to work with people who didn't really truly explain what you were doing. It was kind of up to you to pick it up. And so it's my hope to offer a much greater value to anyone who's really willing to make the effort. We're going to teach you every single step of the process with understanding. And so whether you want to simply have a beautiful, gorgeous home to live in, or a dome home, or you want the deep satisfaction that comes from building your own house with your own 2 hands, or you simply want to reduce your cost of living, then a dome or even a square AirCrete structure is a great opportunity to do that. And beyond that, if you choose to completely recreate your life and design a lifestyle that serves you, then the AirCrete is also a wonderful opportunity to do that. The energetics, the feeling that you have inside of a dome is like none other. And not only homes, but also workspaces, yoga spaces, studies. They make beautiful additions. In many states where you couldn't build a large house, you could certainly build a study or storage dome in the backyard even. And they can be very beautiful and very energetic and very enlivening to do your personal growth meditations in. So again, if this is something that interests you, please click the link below in the description, and I look very forward to meeting you. You have a wonderful, blessed day. Namaste.